So since 1 week, I have that song in my head, Bitch, I'm a cow. And I can't stop my brain thinking about shaving my legs like a cow. So let's do it! So the result was not what I was expecting, so I did something else. And I have hair socks. So now when I put my socks, it's like, nah, yeah, oh. And also, toot 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 toot. I don't know if you know that video, but it's like, boop, boop, boop. Okay, stop. Help, there is a rat. I found a weird rat in the house of my friends. That rat is moving pretty fast. Oh my god, she's in the foot. Are you a rat? Why are you naked? Can you please put some clothes, Ratatouille? Where do you think you are, Ratatouille? Put some damn clothes. Oh my god! Call the ambulance. Call the ambulance. Call the ambulance. What's happening? What's the problem? I'm gonna die from tiredness of your bullshit. I was literally just breathing. That was already too much. Your existence is killing me. It's exhausting me. I'm exhausted of hearing you just breathe. Just breathe. So can you please go sit somewhere else? You're speaking. Talking. Yes, bye. Speaking, talking. You too. You wanna go take speaking class with me? Yes, I think it's the best. Yes. But you don't sit next to me. No, I know. I'm exhausting you. Mom, listen first before you say no. Listen. You know how much I am a good guy. You know I'm a good child. I don't do drugs. I don't drink. I do nothing. I'm pretty much perfect. Huh? Is that true or not? Tell me more, honey. Tell me more. Yes. Why tell me, I'm waiting. Yes, so you know who I am. Very good. Can I maybe ask you 10,000 euros to buy me a car? Oh, yes, absolutely. Wait, I will give you immediately. Really? Yes. Ah, cabrón, pero tú quién crees que eres? Absolutely not. Go work, give your body, but no, I will not give you 10,000 euros. I want to be adopted. ¿Adopted? Pues vete con tu padre. Let's see if your father will give you 10,000 euros. Cabronacito de... Hijo de papel. David, I have a gift for you. What is that? It's a cake. And why? For our 2 million people followers. What? Give me that cake. Give me 2 million people. 2 million. Wait, I have also this. Give me everything. 2 million people. Thank you so much for the 2 million people. Really, I am so grateful for all of you guys. Thank you so much. You can see it's a 2, but I swear it's a 2. It's not the S from Savage. It's a 2. But thank you very much, guys. Ho. Thank you very much, guys. Can you... What? You're stupid. It's for in the plane. When you sleep. Oh. Look at... my turtle. Okay. Thank you very much, guys. Give me love. David, what is love? Yes. Answer. What is love? What is love? Baby, don't hurt me. No. More. Yes. But that don't answer my question. I didn't understand your question. Why can't we speak normally? Because we are Belgian. And you know, it's like you ask this sugar to be salt. I didn't understand that. Well, that's what I felt when you asked me what is love. Oh, so love is like a sugar trying to be salt? What? Sometimes I ask myself, will I ever marry someone? Will I ever be married? Will ever someone say yes? Will you marry me? Yes, because when my wife will come home. Hi, honey, I'm home. I got a new hat. $2. It's not cheap, but I look like a fisher. A fisher. I fished you. Oh my god, what is it? What is it? Wow! A sexy mermaid! I'm gonna take my bags and leave. But, babe! I'm a cute fisher! Don't leave me. Please don't leave me! Guys, I need to know. Is TikTok really gonna be banned? Because if it's gonna happen, does it mean that we have to say goodbye? Do we have to say goodbye to each other? I don't want to say goodbye. I need your videos to smile at night and at day and day and night and day and night. I'm sorry, my brain can't stop. I don't want to say goodbye. I need you guys. If I have to make a YouTube channel, I make a YouTube channel, but I need you guys. So, I swear, if you ban TikTok from another country, I'm gonna come my 5'4" little body, and I'm gonna maybe bite your tooth, because that's all I'm gonna reach. But don't do that. I don't want to say goodbye. My friend is a ghost buster, huh? And she wanted me to go ghost hunting, and I don't like this finish, Jill. I want to go home.
Dude,
I want to go
come
home.
on.
Please, I want to go home. I don't like.
it's okay.
I think there is weird shit going on here. I want to go home.
David.
So please, did you see something?
No.
Tell me. Promise me you did see. I did see something.
No, I didn't see.
I don't like this feeling at all. I really want to go home. I really want to go home. Please follow me. I want.
David, he's behind you.
What the frick is? Come on, do it. Do it. I can think. Do it. You ready? You ready? You sure you're ready? Don't knock out. Knock out? I'm not gonna knock out for a tattoo. Go. I'm ready. It's not gonna be that painful. Okay, go. Ah! Sir, I just touched your. Oh, hey, it's perfect like this. Is that blood? Is that blood? I'm gonna knock out. Sir, I just touched your leg. No, it's a nice line. I love this tattoo. Keep it like this. I'm just gonna stay just a little minute like this. I love playing with my dog. Come here. What is this? Did you just pee? Are you pooping? He's peeing on the ball. David, you need to help me. We need to escape from here. I found a rock. Maybe that can help you. A rock? Do you think that a rock can help me? It can help me to maybe slap your brain, so maybe you can find a way to open the door. Maybe if I... Excuse me? Can you let me in, please? It's an escape game. You can't just let me in. You need to find a way. Okay, well, you know what? Maybe if I touch and if I ask, Sezim, open yourself. Sezim, open yourself. We're never gonna win this escape game. What? At least we have a rock, so I'm taking the rock away. So we failed? That's what you want? We failed? David, wait, come back! Come back! I opened the door! Okay, no, we go away. So David Rodriguez. I like that name. Are you like Spanish? Hablo un poquito español, sí. Wow, I love that accent. I love it. What accent? No, I don't have an accent in Spanish. You have an accent. A ver, yo no tengo acento. Yo hablo español como en español. No, that's not españolo, because I know every single. And you have an acento. Because you think speaking Spanish is putting O everywhere? Yes, that's the concept of Spanish, I think. Coca-Cola. Estúpido. You see? Estúpido sí. Sí, estúpido. Soy yo. Soy yo estúpido. Eres estúpido. Somos estúpidos. What the fuck? Oh. Allez. Fuck. In the jungle. Awimbawe. Awimbawe. Rafiki! Have you ever seen a hot air balloon getting pumped? Because me, it's the first time, and that's not even the half of it. He's living the dream. What a freak. Oh my god. Oh my fire. Paul. This is craziness. This is a monster. Oh my god. What the freak? I'm a child. This is crazy. You're all maybe gonna die. You understand that? That's a balloon. That's a flying balloon. This is the Up movie. They're flying away. Oh my god. Bye people. You're gonna die maybe. No. This is Up movie. This is craziness. I love it. Dominique, Nick s'en allait tout simplement, routier, pour et chantant. En tout chemin, en tout lieu, il ne parle que du bon Dieu, il ne parle que du bon Dieu. Remix! Dominique, s'en allait tout simplement, routier, pour et chantant.
I am lost.
Pokemon names in English. Bulbasaur, Big Bulba, Biggest Bulba, Charmander. What the heck? Is this the real names? A butterfly, another caterpillar. Is this the real names? Wait in French. Bulbizarre, Herbizarre, Florizarre, Salamèche, Carapuce, Carabaf, Tortanque, Chenipan, Crustacé. This one is my favorite. Ratatata. Non, ratata. Ratata. Oui. Ratatac. Pierre fait pique. Rapace de pique. Abo. Abra. Cadabra. Alakazam. Machoc. Machopper. TikTok. 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 Thank you very much. Guys, I need to tell you that the 7 and 8 November, I'm in Birmingham. So I hope to meet you, but I need to tell you something. I'm pretty small, so if you don't see me, look at the ground, because I'm there maybe somewhere. Also, I'm very shy. In real life, I'm very shy. So if you say, "Hey David," I will be like, "Hey, it's a me." Belgian guy with a French accent. Yes, si, oui. And I'm pretty sure you guys gonna ask me like, sing the teaspoon. Listen, I'm gonna be like, if I'm shy, just say like, you don't have to be shy. Okay? So don't be shy. And I will say, okay, I'm not shy anymore. Boop. So I hope to meet some of you guys there because I'm very excited. Yes. And I'm gonna see so much TikTokers that I am fan of. So it's gonna be, hey, you don't know me, but I love you. But I'm shy. But I love you. Guys, Stephanie and Stefan and their kids. Come, little guys, come. Can I see your kids? I want him. Can I have him? He's so cute. Look at that. Those are baby swans. Hey, wait. I love your baby. Yourself, huh? Don't attack me. I just want to see your kids. Yeah, you are cute. But I liked Stefan better, huh? I love your kids. Cute. Bye. Come back. Wait, come back. Come here. Come. Pew. This morning, this little guy was in my room. Now he's gonna stay with me. Wait, go to sleep. Wait. Here you go. Now you come with me. And we're gonna go to sleep. I think he likes me. It's not a mouse, it's a shrew. A shrew? I think you... He's in my damn sleeve. No, go back. Go back. L'espoir est un plat bien trop vite consommé. No, because it's not a rat or a mouse. I like you. Guys, look, I'm gonna show you something. Hey, come here, guys. Come here, guys. Come here, guys. I promise you, they are coming to me. Stephanie, Stefan. Hey, look at this. Hey, guys. Hello. So you don't hate me. Actually, you don't hate me. Hi, my little child. I love you. I love you. Hi. You're not gonna attack me, right? Don't attack me. No. Oh, hi. Don't attack me. Don't attack me, please. I don't have... Oh my God. Look. We are friends. I am from your family now. Thank you. I love you, Stephanie. Can I shake a booty? Shake your booties. Shake your booties. They just came to me say hello. Look. Bye, guys. Bye, guys. I like you. I like you and you and you. I love you, guys. See you tomorrow. Bye. David, where are you? I'm here. Come, we're gonna do something. Oh my God, David, what did you do? David, what did you do? I don't know. Run, David, run. No, oh my God. Are we gonna die? I don't know. Oh, shoo. David, where are we? Shh, follow me. David, where the freak are we? Shut the fuck up. Come with me. We're gonna be the next president, my friend. Who the freak did you come in the White House? Because I am the next president, my guy. Hello, guys. Camera, please. I am the next president. Whoa, wait, come back. If Kanye West can be president, I think I can be your next president. So Trump, I know you don't know it. I came in Fufulufi, but I am now the new president. You're out. And Kanye West, Kim Kardashian is mine.